This is your KLU object oriented programming in Java. Set number 1. This is your exam paper. So you need to answer all the questions. The first one is describe about the features of OOPS. So you need to write the concept of OOPS: classes, objects, constructors, inheritance, and all the other features of OOPS. And question number 2, explain the properties of static methods using appropriate examples. You need to write a program for this. So what is a polymorphism? And give an example of polymorphism, and you need to write the types of polymorphism also, static and dynamic. Explain the objects and classes concepts with example. Demonstrate inheritance with example. With example, you need to write a simple program. Write a Java program for odd and even number. Describe modularization and access specifiers. Access specifiers, public, private, and protected, etc. Write a Java program for reverse number. Describe the difference between C and OOPS. You need to give the difference between procedure oriented programming and object oriented programming. And write a Java program for factor of any number. Explain in detail about nested if, for, while, and do while with example. And compare and contrast string buffer and string tokenizer. What are the differences between constructor and method? Constructor is a special method which is used to initialize the object. And the class name and constructor name must be the same. You need to follow some rules while using with constructors. And demonstrate a single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Describe various types of constructors, constructors with arguments, constructors without arguments, and etc. Explain the constructor overloading concepts. So this is your paper. So this is set number 3. Question number 1, explain dynamic method dispatch. Demonstrate multi-level and hierarchical inheritance with code. Illustrate various access specifiers in Java. Demonstrate various types of unchecked exception with suitable examples. We have 2 types of exception, checked and unchecked. Demonstrate the rules to be followed while overriding a method. Demonstrate various types of possible exceptions at compile time and runtime. Illustrate a Java program for finding the distance between 2 points using inheritance. Write a Java program code for single inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Illustrate the concept of multi-threading in Java with appropriate examples. Explain the difference between collection and array. Explain various interfaces used in collection framework. And demonstrate multitasking and multi-threading with examples. Compare list and set in collection framework. Demonstrate the differences between hash map and tree map in collection framework. Compare hash map and hash table. Compare array list and linked list in collection framework.